Okay, we're gonna bring this back. I love this item.
Me too.
So this is Rockstar, new, you love, it's Black Friday sale price. It's so adorable,
Yeah.
so affordable, so versatile, and we're down now to just a few of these. A mint and a
Rose. This is our Frosty Force. So did we already lose the white? We had three colors.
Is the white gone,
the
guys?
white, the mint, and the rose.
We have the white as well? Can we get the white out here? Searching for the white Frosty Forest in the elongated. Would love to see that.
It's probably with the ramekin cell. Here's the mint. Here's the rose up top. These are all those sculptural trees with the snowflakes that run around, all of the fluting. Then we have the mint. Then beneath the mint, do we still have the poinsettia left? We still have the poinsettia. And then,
we have the gnome?
oh, good, okay. Do we have the gnome?
And there's your gnome. Great.
And then did we lose the winter whimsy?
Guys,
Oh, we
let's
have,
bring
great.
all the options out here.
I'm going
Let's
to
go.
find it.
Winter whimsy can be had. That's still available. 100 can be had, and that's it. So that's all we have in the winter whimsy. We're looking for the white somewhere in the studio, and that's available somewhere. So we'll bring that out in a second. But why did America fall in love with this?
Because I think there's a couple of reasons. We all have the big platters, right? But we don't have kind of the platter that is perfect for little tidbits, little desserts, elongated things. You have the sweet ruffle around the edges. You have the helper handles, the fluting that runs around
It's cute. It's so cute.
And look at how affordable it is.
And no doubt about it.
For under $20, you can try a beautiful stoneware tray that you can put your flameless, that's a great shot, that you can put your flameless candles on, that you can put your greenery on and use it as a centerpiece, as well as baking it.
There's also been a big theme, and that's the white. So the white, we'll show you on QVC.com in a second. That free shipping and handling is about to go away. There it is. 5 easy payments of $4 is about to go away. 8,000 ordered. This is 16 inches, made it elongated. What's going on here?
Yeah, so you have the ruffled edge, you have the handles that are built in. So look how sweet like the winter whimsy is. If you never put any food on this, and you just left this out or tucked it in a bookshelf, put it on like a little plate stand, you have a pop of the holiday season, everybody caroling, individually hand painted, hand applied accents, the whole gang is all there.
Winner.
And this is the tradition and the memory of the holiday.
Winner. Getting one piece this show.
Right.
If you get one piece, this is your piece.
You're right.
That bowl, like a one piece for 20 bucks, but this is under 20, and it's so detailed, and it's so versatile.
Yeah.
You're going to use this.
You will.
All the time.
And the silhouette is wonderful. And you have it here where all of the juices or anything that you're putting on there. Like maybe you're making like eggs Benedict and you have the hollandaise sauce. You can stack these along the edges, but everything's going to stay put. All of your juices. Look how beautiful this is.
Another one with the juniors cheesecake, the minis, cupcakes, right? The cookies, you name it. But you can do hot things on here as well.
Sure.
Get a couple of these, and now you have like a true, charcuterie boards right here from Temp-tations style, stepped up Temp-tations style. So H441219.
Sorry.
So we're down to final quantities.
Choked up.
If you want to pick these up, 9,000 ordered.
Wow.
Mint.
Thank you.
This one is the.
This is the rose.
Great. Here we
also have the white. This is your poinsettia.
Great. And here we have.
We have the winter whimsy. And we also have the gnomes that you're seeing there that didn't make it to the studio.
Very good. Shop the show. Items recently on air. Oh, what's left of it? Because a lot of things have sold out.
This was a great show.
Thank you,
18 brand new.
Great job.
Thank you.
That's QVC.com, by the way, at the end of the show. QVC.com items recently on air. So there's those great bowls. There's
that
the
platter,
elongated
the tongs.
The hot pick is in the show as well, right?
So fun.
And there are so many things still to